Maximize efficiency with SaaS e-procurement solutions. In today's fast-paced business environment, companies are always on the lookout for ways to maximize efficiency and reduce costs. One of the most effective strategies is by implementing SaaS e-procurement solutions. Let's explore how these tools can transform your procurement process. Streamline processes. SaaS e-procurement solutions centralize your purchasing processes. This means that all procurement activities, from requisition to invoicing, can be managed in one place. The result? Fewer errors, faster approvals, and improved collaboration across departments. Enhanced visibility. With e-procurement software, you gain real-time insights into your spending patterns. This visibility allows you to identify areas for cost savings and negotiate better contracts with suppliers. You can track every purchase, providing full accountability and transparency in your procurement operations. Automation of repetitive tasks. Automating repetitive tasks is a game changer. From purchase requisitions to order approvals, SaaS solutions can automate mundane processes, freeing up your team to focus on strategic decision-making. This not only boosts productivity, but also improves employee satisfaction as workloads become more manageable. Improve supplier management. Having a centralized system enables you to maintain and evaluate supplier performance effectively. You can store all supplier information and review their performance metrics easily, leading to stronger supplier relationships and strategic sourcing decisions. Scalability. SaaS e-procurement solutions are designed to grow with your business. Whether you're a small startup or an established enterprise, these solutions can be tailored to fit your evolving needs without the burden of extensive IT infrastructure. Embrace the power of SaaS e-procurement solutions and take your efficiency to new heights. Want to learn more? Visit our website, www.appsbaba.cloud.